Hi everybody and welcome to today's workout. It's going to be one part of the workout and a lot of tutorials as well, because this is one of really cool exercise today from Sweat to Shred series that I have, and I'm gonna do now the full workout. Then I will do with you the last round, and then on Wednesday you're gonna be able to see the full follow along workout video. I already filmed, I think 2 years ago, so I might change today a few things so that you can actually see how you can progress or how you can make it a little bit harder for certain exercises. But yeah, basically what you're gonna need is a set of dumbbells, a bench. I will also use a medicine ball. I have 8 kilo here medicine ball, and an exercise mat, and that's basically it. So now I'll do my warm-up, and then I see you on my last round. I will see how many I'll do. Original is 3 rounds. I might squeeze in 4 rounds today, because this is all about the progressive overload. Even if you're training at home, you can do progressive overload by making a simple exercise a little bit harder. You add up more weights, you maybe add up more reps, or you add up more sets or rounds in total. So overall, what is important is to listen to your body, and if you can push further, go ahead and challenge yourself. That's why it's really important as well that we keep our workout journal present at all times. I have here mine. So this is my workout journal. So the last time I did 3 rounds in total, and today let's do 4 rounds. So I'll see you in round 4. Okay, so this is actually my 3rd round now. So the routine it's pretty good, I would say. Anybody can do this. It's not like even the beginners can do this workout. It's not like really super intense, but it is intense, especially the first 2 parts. The first 2 exercises are kind of intense. So the first one, what we're gonna do, we're gonna take the dumbbells. In the original video I did this body weight, so and we're gonna just place dumbbells next to your legs, and we're gonna do 3 jumping lunges. Then we're gonna take the weights and we're gonna step up. So, and we're gonna do this for 10 reps. So let's go. So first 3 jumping lunges. 1, 2, 3. You pick up the weights, and then the leg that was back goes up, and you step up. You go back down. The leg goes back into the position, and we go 1, 2, 3. Now this leg, the other leg, comes up, and we go back down, and we go for round 3. 1, 2, 3. You can have your weights on top of the shoulders, or you can have them alongside your legs. 1, 2, 3. That's 4. 1, 2, 3. Pick up. That's 5. 1, 2, 3. 6. 1, 2, 3. 7. 1, 2, 3. 8. 1, 2, 3. 9. Last one. 2, 3. That's number 10. Okay. You put away the weights. And we go now for exercise number 2. This one will increase your heart rate like crazy, but so good. So good. Okay. Exercise number 2. Sorry about the light, it's always changing. I'm trying to change the ISO, but it's just then makes a bigger mess. So if in some parts it's going to be more brighter, it's because of the sun and the clouds. Okay, so now the second exercise. It's gonna be a cool mixture of a lot of exercises together in one combo. So what we're gonna do is first we're gonna measure the distance in elevated plank, distance between your hands and your feet, so that you are safely jumping on the bench or chair. So basically what you do first, put your feet on the bench and go into the elevated plank, okay? Then you jump down. So remember where your hands are, so that you will actually safely jump up and not fall down, okay? All right, so the workout goes like this. So you jump up, then we're gonna do the leg kick into the reptile, the other side, reptile, jump down, we're gonna do the jump squat, and then you walk forward and we're gonna do a push-up. Then you go back with your hands to the starting position. And that was rep 1. Let's do 5 more. Okay? So jump up, leg kick, abs tight, go down, land softly, and we do push up. Okay, that was 2. Three. 4. 5, and 1 more. And 6. Oh, this one is like a killer. It's a brutal one. And it puts me immediately into the red zone because it's just so intense. All right, next one, we're gonna do another ab exercise and another upper body exercise. So we're gonna do V up to roll over. Then you have 2 options. I'll explain to you now. So let's start with V-ups. I'll give you modification for that as well. So extend your arm behind you, engage your core, touch your toes, and that's your V-up. If you cannot do that, just do the knee hug. Yeah. If you cannot do that, then just do the knee tuck and extend. Okay. Then you roll over. Here, the advanced version. plyo push-up. If you cannot do that, lift yourself up into the plank. Okay, it's like a dead push-up. Then roll again to the other side. V up again. Come back. And so on. So we did already 2 reps, 8 more to go. Let's go. 3. 4. 5. 6. 7. 8. 1 more. 9. And that's 10. This was amazing, and oh my god, I'm dead. Take a breather. We have 1 more to go, and that is the Flutter Kicks. In the original video I just did body weight. Now I'm challenging myself with 8 kilo medicine ball, and it's just a simple Flutter Kicks with a ball extended above you. So let's break down the beginner version. So complete beginner, you can have the hands below your glutes, lifting up the shoulders off the ground, and this will make your lower back press to the mat. Don't ever do this kind of thing. I see this so much, and it's really bad for your lower back. It puts too much pressure. Instead, pressing the lower back to the ground, tilt your pelvis, yeah, or better, just lift up your shoulders, and then really your chest up, and we just do the Flutter Kicks like that. More advanced, have your hands here or have it back, and this is like really hard version because you really have to control your lower back, that it's pressed on the mat at all times. So if you don't have any equipment, you can use, of course, also dumbbells to hold up. So I have this awesome 8 kilo medicine ball, like 18 pounds or so, 17.5. Okay, so hold it above, the same principles, shoulders off the ground, point your toes, and we go for 30 reps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 9, 10, 12, 20, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 9, 30. Well done. And then you get up. Okay, so that was the workout. So you can do 3 to 4 rounds if you want to. I think I broke down everything, so I burned 320 calories in this like 30-minute workout. Of course, with the breakdowns for you guys, it takes a little bit longer, but it doesn't matter. I just enjoyed it, every single little bits of it. In the original video, I didn't use the dumbbells, I didn't use the ball, it was only body weight. So you can check this on Wednesday. If you want to do everything, follow along with me, but you can try as well this version on your own. The workout breakdown will be down in the description. So yeah, so I'm putting together Sweat to Shred series in a bunch. So volume 1 will be Sweat to Shred 1 to 20, and in the volume 2 will be from 21 to 40. So if you are interested to purchase my programs, they will be soon available on my renewed webpage, which is coming along really fast. I will cut down the subscriptions, but I might open again the memberships here on YouTube. So I might do 5-minute bikini body workouts here for my members on YouTube, and the rest, of course, you can purchase the programs and series. So there is programs that you can follow, but I will just post also series like from 1 to 20, then you can just choose whichever workout you want to do it. So Sweat to Shred is always like with the weights, it's like metabolic conditioning with the weights, with cardio, everything. So strength, cardio, conditioning, body weight, and so on. Also, I sometimes throw in some mobility exercises. Okay, so don't forget to subscribe. I hope you like this kind of style of workouts where I test my old workout, but then I actually invite you to the follow along real-time workout. All right, thank you so much, and see you next time. And by the way, thank you for all of you who subscribed. We finally surpassed 4,000 subscribers, and I couldn't be more happier. Thank you, and see you next time.